Good afternoon from a cold and snowy white Netherlands. Yeah, and I just returned from Germany yesterday in the evening.
Yes.
And look at this beauty.
Look at this.
And look at this. The Turbo. The Kawasaki Z1R TC. And this one is number 5.
With
Only how many kilometers?
88
Yeah. Miles.
miles.
It's almost completely original. The shocks are not original, so I'm going to change that, and also the handlebar. Sorry, not the handlebar. The grips are not original. For the rest, what a bike! 500 are produced from this one in total, eh?
Total.
The turbo.
250 in the blue color.
250 in the blue color, and the other one was black with orange and red, I think. Well, number 5 of the turbo, and they claim to have 130 HP, such a lot. And now is the question, do I keep it or sell it? Difficult. A big chance I might add it to my own personal collection, because it's so special. So very special. 25 years in a collection from the same owner, so we have to do some work on it, get it up and running. But I can't wait to hear this bike and ride it. A very cool bike indeed. So if you are interested in the bike, you can contact me. As I told you, I'm not sure yet if I want to sell. First going to polish it, make a lot of pictures and get it up and running. But what a bike. What a bike. Okay, if you like the video, keep watching. Another one is coming out of the van. The bikes will be published on the website. And I hope to see you back soon. And if you like the bike, please subscribe. If you like the video, subscribe on the YouTube channel. And follow us on our social media, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye.